started watching season, it's per time on the Minecraft server. And I watched my favorite episode my favorite 2 episodes that I just watched was when he was almost killed by the B team, and so he had to go to court in a Minecraft court. That was pretty funny.
Come on.
I like a few servers I don't even know what they are. It's been a while.
What?
There are so many freaking people. Ever since the new map was brought onto the Minecraftia server, there's been 20 people on at a time.
Yep.
Oh my god. There's hardly Back in Time's on. Wow. Munchlax is on. He's hardly ever on.
Wait, I'm raiding and I'll come back on Minecraftia.
I don't know.
Yes, the guy had some custom kits on him.
Okay, having Skype on my computer is way more handy.
Yep. So much raid stuff. And a custom pickaxe, that's rare. Sorry, back. You know that, right? What?
Mama?
You're trying to put your kit sorry back. Free.
Ow, ow, ow. Oh my gosh, there's a Steve head under the bridge. With a piece of redstone next to it, so it looks like he was decapitated. That's what it looks like.
Come on, so much god stuff. Wolf me?
once again with their bad building skills.
That is funny.
I would. Okay, I should record that. Ooh, I like the statue though. Statue's nice. Wilb's house. Hey, no, it's my house. And then it says Ram sleep too. This is a nice house. My God, boss! I can't die. It's fine. I like how Ram sleep. He like put no, it's my house inside of it. Okay, I'm gonna do like a short little recording thing. That's just gonna say. I'm just gonna say. Once again, the citizens of Minecraftia had ruined the server with their bad building skills. So that's why I'm gonna record that. Real quick. So, okay, let's full screen. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Once again, the citizens of Minecraftia have ruined the server again with their bad building skills. Bye.
Oh my God.
Best video ever. Okay, I'm gonna play that back. Listen. Once again, the citizens of Minecraftia have ruined the server again with their bad building skills. Bye. I'm posting that. I'm uploading that. I'm so uploading that. Okay, I'm getting on YouTube and I'm uploading it. I'm uploading it.